Hi, I'm John. I'm playing the bass for Foreign Lives. Yeah, we have many funny stories. Some being like breaking sticks while you're playing or forgetting some lyrics while you're at the show. But one of the best memories or the funniest memories is when we had a concert. We went eating before. We ate a lot, and so our stomach was pretty full. And it was a difficult concert, but it was still funny. I like member meetings because you get to meet other members, of course. You also get to see the inside of different people, like in this case, where the action takes behind the scenes actually. So that's like faces you don't see quite often. And you get to meet those people, also like you get to meet other musicians or also other people who are also in this business. So, yeah.